Central to these conversations was a shared understanding to afford Ndah the opportunity to secure regular game time elsewhere as he enters the next phase of his career. Ndah, who's 28 years, joined the Buccaneers in 2021 and quickly established himself as a commanding presence at the heart of defense. Strong in the tackle, assured in possession, and uncompromising in his commitment. He brought both skill and composure to the back line during a pivotal period for the club. Over the course of more than 80 appearances at the club, Ndah consistently embodied the values